Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? So here the options are right atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. So here the right option is left ventricle. What is the main function of SA node? Alpha, pump blood. Beta, initiate heartbeat. So definitely SA node initiates heartbeat. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs? Alpha, aorta. Beta, pulmonary artery. Yes, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. It is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood. What is the largest artery in the human body? Alpha, carotid artery? No. Beta, femoral artery? No. Charlie, aorta? Yes, aorta is the largest artery in the human body. Which valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle? So, alpha, tricuspid valve? No. Beta, pulmonary valve? No. Charlie, mitral valve? Yes. It is also known as bicuspid valve. Which blood component is responsible for clotting? Alpha, RBCs? No. Beta, white blood cells? No. Charlie, platelets? Yes. Platelets are responsible for clotting. What is the function of hemoglobin? Alpha, transport oxygen? Yes. Hemoglobin, transport oxygen. Which part of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body? Right atrium, left ventricle, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Yes, the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body. What is the primary function of capillaries? Alpha, transport oxygen? No. Beta, exchange gases and nutrients? Yes. Capillaries exchange gases and nutrients. Which condition is characterized by a buildup of plaque in the arteries? Alpha, hypertension. Beta, atherosclerosis. Charlie, arrhythmia. Delta, myocarditis. So here the right option is atherosclerosis. What is the average resting heart rate for adults? So alpha is 40 to 60 beats per minute, beta is 60 to 100 beats per minute, Charlie is 100 to 120 beats per minute, and delta is 120 to 150 beats per minute. Comment the right answer. Which blood vessel has the highest pressure? Alpha, capillaries? No. Beta, veins? No. Charlie, arteries? Yes. Arteries has the highest pressure. What is the role of pulmonary veins? Alpha, carry oxygenated blood to the heart. Yes. Pulmonary vein is the only vein that carry oxygenated blood to the heart. Which structure separates the left and right sides of the heart? So basically the septum. The structure separates the left and the right sides of the heart. What is the term for the contraction phase of the heart? Alpha, diastole. Beta, systole. Charlie, myocardium. Delta, endocardium. So for contraction phase, systole is used. Which hormone increases the heart rate? Alpha, insulin. Beta, cortisol. Charlie, adrenaline. Yes, adrenaline increases the heart rate. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Alpha, fight infections. No. Beta, transport oxygen. Yes. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, so which is responsible for the transport of oxygen. Which artery supplies blood to the heart muscles? Pulmonary artery? No. Beta, coronary artery? Yes. Coronary artery supplies blood to the heart muscles. What is the function of pericardium? Alpha, protect the heart. Beta, pump blood. Charlie, regulate blood pressure. Delta, exchange gases. So here the right option is protect the heart. What is the normal range for blood pressure in the adults? 80 or 40, beta 90 or 60, Charlie 120 or 80. Yes, 120 by 80 is the normal range for blood pressure in adults. Which valve prevents the backflow of blood into the right ventricle? Alpha, tricuspid valve. Beta, pulmonary valve. Charlie, mitral valve. Delta, aortic valve. So here the right option is pulmonary valve prevents backflow of the blood into the right ventricle. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? So here the right option is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. What is the purpose of electrocardiogram ECG? So alpha is measure blood pressure? No. Beta assess lung function? No. Charlie monitor heart activity? Yes. ECG is used to find out to monitor the heart activity. Which type of blood cell is a part of immune system? Alpha. RBCs? Beta. WBCs? Yes. White blood cells are part of immune system. Which heart sound is caused by the closure of aortic and pulmonary valves? Alpha S1, beta S2, Charlie S3, delta S4. So here the right option is beta S2. What is the medical term for blood pressure? For high blood pressure, alpha, hypotension? No. Beta, hypertension? Yes. Hypertension is a term that is used for high blood pressure. Which condition involves an irregular heartbeat? Alpha, myocardial infarction? Beta, atherosclerosis? Charlie, arrhythmia? Yes. Arrhythmia is a condition involves an irregular heartbeat. What is the function of lymphatic system in relation to cardiovascular system? So the options are alpha, transport oxygen, beta, filter blood, Charlie, maintain fluid balance, delta, clot blood. So here the right option is Charlie, maintain fluid balance. Which component of the blood carries nutrients and waste products? Alpha is red blood cells, beta is WBCs, Charlie is platelets, and delta is plasma. So plasma carries nutrients and waste products. What is the term for the relaxation phase of the heart? Alpha systole, beta diastole, Charlie endocardium, delta is myocardium. So